Hello there, soulmates and precious. On today's tutorial, I want us to tackle the issue of big bust and small cup. Okay, so let's say most people always said, oh, I'm a bust 38, but there are other bust 38 that have small cup and wide side, while there are some bust 38 that have big cup and small side. So the side there on the bust area is really small, but they have big cup, while some they have small cup and big side. Now let us tackle, or let us help those designers that have big cup and small sides, because when you're drafting your pattern, it doesn't matter, irrespective of whatever your cup size is, the pattern comes out in a certain way. This is why it is important that you see your client so that you can know, how their cup size is like. So the first things first, this is the pattern I'm working with. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So this is what we have here. Can you see it? Now this is our bustier pattern ready. So for some people with really big cup and this bust size, it might not just be okay for them. Okay, so I want to match it up like so, because I want to mark out the bust points. Okay, so that's the bust points over here. All right, so how do we go ahead to do this? I'm just going to come in with the paper. So what I'll do is place my pattern back. Can you see? So you can place your pattern and pin it down. You don't need to come out too much on your bust point line. All right, on the bust point line, just mark a straight line like so. So the next thing you want to do with your tape, you want to increase the cup area by 0.25 for the front like so, and for this side. Can you see that? Next, you come in with your curve. You can actually blend it up with freehand, but just with your hands, but I prefer to do this with a curve, right? So that I will be sure of what I'm adding to it. Can you see? Remember, it is around the cup area that we have, or that we are adding that fullness to. You can see that, right? So repeat the same thing here. And then we'll go back. Remember that this cup has a tendency to come out sharp pointed. So when you're doing this, you want to avoid, you want to be sure that, that part is blended up. So next I would do is to secure it, with my tape. I just want to secure it with my tape like this, and then cut out, and still go ahead like this to secure it. Do the same thing here. Secure, cut, secure, cut. Can you see that? So I'm good. So the next thing we'll do is to cut out. Remember, the only part we need is just around this area. Can you see that? So I'll just go ahead . So this is what we have. I like the outcome. I love how it's looking. So I'll just keep it aside and go ahead to cut this part. So you can see, this is what we have here. You see that? And then this is the side, the center front. So you see how the cup looks beautiful and it is fuller right now. So by the time you join it, you'll be having that big cup effect that, you know, for the full bust. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and follow our Instagram and Facebook pages for more short and detailed tutorials like this. I'm Precious.